Looking for budget-friendly tech products? Not only cheap, but also very helpful in many situations. Amazon has a ton of options that won't break the bank but still deliver great value. In this video, we've rounded up some of the best cheap tech products available on Amazon, so you can upgrade your gear without spending a lot. All the mentioned gadgets links are in the description below. Number 30, Velcase Foldable Drone. This foldable drone is great for beginners and kids, offering tons of fun and easy-to-use features. With a 1080p HD camera, you can capture stunning aerial photos and videos in real time. It's equipped with cool functions like voice control, gesture photo and video, and 360-degree flips, making it super beginner-friendly. The drone's foldable design makes it easy to carry, and it comes with everything you need, including 2 batteries for up to 26 minutes of flight time. Number 29, Sekai Foldable Keyboard. Now let's look at this small foldable keyboard, which is universal and can be used with any device. This keyboard is pocket-sized and foldable, making it even smaller when folded. It comes with a smartphone and tablet stand that you simply open and place your device on. Then connect your phone via Bluetooth and you can start typing on the go. Additionally, you can use it for mobile gaming, giving you a significant advantage over touchscreens. You'll be able to type faster, chat quickly, and enjoy casual mobile gaming easily. Number 28, Dock Safe Chair Plus Storage. Need a safe and stylish way to store your important items? This fireproof and waterproof ottoman offers the perfect solution. Made with 3-layer silicone-coated fiberglass, it can withstand temperatures up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping your documents safe. The durable PVC leather seat is water-resistant, and the stool can hold up to 700 pounds, so you can sit comfortably. It features a combination lock for extra security and a hidden storage compartment for privacy. With its sturdy handles, it's easy to move even when fully loaded. Number 27, Car Steering Wheel Desk. This versatile car steering wheel desk is perfect for anyone constantly on the go. It easily transforms your car into a productive space whether you're working or relaxing. One side features a cup holder and meal tray, while the other offers a spacious area for laptops, complete with a pen holder for extra convenience. Made from durable ABS material, it attaches securely to your steering wheel, providing a stable surface. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to store under your seat and ready whenever you need it. Number 26, Ivation Electric Cooler. Keep your food and drinks fresh wherever you go with this portable cooler and warmer. It offers reliable cooling and heating for all your essentials. With a large interior, it can hold everything from bottles to food trays and even refrigerated medications. Switching between cold and hot modes is as easy as flipping a switch, and the compact design includes a collapsible handle for easy transport. The power adapters let you use it at home or in your car, making it a convenient option for all your travel and outdoor adventures. Number 25, Foldable Laptop Table. Now guys, I want to show you an amazing laptop desk that's so sturdy you could even stand on it without affecting its stability. This desk comes with a built-in adjustable lamp, meaning the lamp is integrated into the table itself and is fully foldable. You can fold it back into the table when not in use. The lamp is also removable, so if you want, you can detach it and use it separately. This table can be used for studying, working on your laptop, or simply eating, fulfilling all purposes easily. Number 24, Portable Waist Fan. Stay cool on the hottest days with this versatile hands-free wearable fan. Featuring a brushless motor that reaches speeds of 13,000 revolutions per minute, it delivers powerful airflow to keep you refreshed all day. With 4 adjustable speed settings, you can customize the breeze to your liking. The fan can be worn around your waist or neck or used as a handheld or desktop fan, making it perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, fishing, or working in hot conditions. Its long-lasting battery provides up to 22 hours of cooling power. Number 23, Style Car Mount. This magnetic phone mount for your car is designed to keep your device secure while driving, offering powerful magnetic support that holds your phone firmly in place even through sharp turns or sudden stops. It's compatible with iPhones equipped with MagSafe as well as Android phones when using the included metal rings. The mount features strong VHB adhesive that sticks securely to your dashboard, ensuring it stays put no matter the road conditions. The small size ensures it won't block your view, making it a safe and convenient option. Number 22, Lantern Waterproof Tent. Setting up camp just got a lot easier with this instant pop-up tent. With pre-assembled poles, it sets up in seconds. Just open the bag and let it pop into place. No more wasting time on complicated setups. The tent's mesh front and back doors provide plenty of airflow, and you can seal them with nylon doors for complete privacy. Spacious enough for 3 to 4 people, it also features a vestibule to keep your shoes and gear outside the main area. Waterproof, tear-resistant, and designed for easy storage, it's perfect for camping, festivals, or relaxing in the backyard. Number 21, Portable Shower. This portable shower is a game changer for outdoor adventures. With a 5-gallon capacity, it offers 2 to 3 quick rinses for everything from washing off after a hike to cleaning your pet or car. The foot pump design means you don't need electricity, making it perfect for off-grid trips. Simply step on the pump to build pressure and control the water flow. Flip the lever for a constant stream or adjust it manually. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to pack and carry wherever you go. Its durable PVC construction ensures it will last through any outdoor challenge. Number 20, Portable Air Conditioner. Stay cool and comfortable wherever you are with this portable air conditioner. It offers 2 modes, a natural wind mode for a cool breeze and a cooling mode where you can add water or ice cubes for extra chill. The 1,500 milliliter water tank provides 6 to 8 hours of continuous use, so you don't have to keep refilling it. It features a control panel and remote for easy operation, plus 10 colorful lights to set the mood. With a timer function and quiet operation under 55 decibels, it's perfect for use at home, in the office, or even during camping trips. Number 19, FPO Food Warming Mat. Keep your meals warm and ready to serve with this versatile food warming mat. Featuring advanced graphene heating technology, it heats up in just 10 seconds, evenly warming your food. The silicone nanomaterial is flexible and durable, making it easy to roll up for storage. With 6 adjustable temperature settings ranging from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, it's a good option for everything from keeping dishes warm to defrosting frozen food. The built-in 6-hour timer ensures your food stays at the perfect temperature for hours. Number 18, Electric Herb Grinder. Enjoy perfectly ground herbs and spices without the mess using this innovative grinder. Combining manual grinding with automatic dispensing, it makes the whole process effortless. Just press a button and a vibrational motor evenly dispenses the grind without needing to twist open the grinder. Its portable design and magnetic flip spout make it perfect for on-the-go use. The grinder also features a secure container with an LED-lighted viewing window so you can easily check your supplies. With ultra-sharp grinding teeth and a long-lasting battery, it delivers smooth, fluffy results every time. Number 17, Underbed Storage. Make the most of your space with these durable underbed storage bins that help keep your home neat and organized. Made with high-quality fabric and a strong metal frame, these bins are built to last and can hold up to 66 pounds. The 49-liter bins come with adjustable dividers to help you stay organized. They have a clear window so you can easily see what's inside. The 360-degree rotating wheels make it simple to slide the bins under the bed, and the 2 locking wheels keep them in place. Number 16, Motion Sensor Night Light. Illuminate your space effortlessly with this motion sensor night light, perfect for hallways, stairs, bathrooms, and more. Featuring a built-in 500 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers up to 16 hours of continuous use in always-on mode or up to 2 months in motion sensor mode. The light automatically turns on when it detects movement in the dark and shuts off after 20 seconds of no activity. Its soft 2700 Kelvin warm white light provides a gentle glow without harsh glare. With a magnetic design and no screws needed, it's easy to install on any iron surface or using the included adhesive. Number 15, Delta Glass Rinser. Say goodbye to scrubbing with this awesome glass rinser for your kitchen sink. It uses strong water jets to quickly wash away residue from cups, bottles, and even wine glasses, saving you time on soaking and scrubbing. The clever overhang directs the water straight into the sink, making cleanup easy. The spot-resistant finish keeps it looking clean and free from fingerprints. Installation is simple, and you can easily replace your old soap dispenser or sink sprayer. It connects to hot or cold water and works with most kitchen setups. Number 14. Electrolux Portable Steamer. Tackle wrinkles effortlessly with this handheld clothes steamer. It heats up in just 30 seconds so you can smooth out clothes, bedding, or drapes quickly. It's made for all fabric types and provides up to 18 minutes of continuous steam. The 2-in-1 fabric and lint brush helps keep textiles fresh and clean. Its pump steam technology prevents leaks or spills even when used horizontally or vertically. With a long 12-foot cord, you have plenty of reach for hassle-free steaming anywhere. Number 13. Vacuum-sealed backpack. Travel smarter with this expandable vacuum-sealed backpack offering a massive 60-liter capacity. It compresses clothes to save up to 80% of storage space so you can pack efficiently. The included electric air pump makes compression quick and easy, while the airtight zipper keeps everything secure. Despite its large capacity, it's TSA-approved carry-on size. Made from durable, water-resistant fabric, it includes multiple compartments for organized travel. Number 12. Jizu Life Portable Handheld Fan. Stay cool wherever you go with this powerful handheld fan. It features a brushless motor and a 5,000 mAh battery, delivering airflow up to 9 meters per second and running between 3 and 15 hours on a single charge. The scroll switch lets you adjust wind speed from 1 to 100, giving you total control. The digital display shows wind speed and battery life. It also charges fast in just 1.5 to 2 hours, making it a convenient travel companion. Number 11. Geeky Keychain Multitool. This compact and lightweight multi-tool is the ultimate everyday carry gadget for travel or DIY projects. With over 16 useful functions including a bottle opener, screwdriver, wrench, box cutter, bike spoke key, wire stripper, and protractor, it's a versatile tool that's always within reach. Its small size makes it easy to attach to your keychain or pocket. Made from durable 420 stainless steel, it's built to last. Number 10. Touchscreen Mist Cleaner. Keep your screen spotless with this convenient 2-in-1 cleaning kit. It includes a spray bottle with cleaning solution and a reusable microfiber cloth perfect for removing fingerprints, sweat, and dirt from phones, laptops, tablets, and TV screens. Simply spray, wipe, and enjoy a streak-free clean. Lightweight and easy to use, it's a must-have for keeping electronics fresh. Number 9. Onexsugar. The Onexsugar One is the world's first dual-screen transformable handheld console, delivering PC-level gaming performance anywhere. Powered by a Snapdragon G3 processor, it features a 6-inch AMOLED main screen and a 3.92-inch secondary screen. It includes joystick controls, a micro SD card slot for storage expansion, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2 for smooth gaming on the go. Number 8. Aveda Dish Soap Dispenser. This practical kitchen gadget combines a soap dispenser with a sponge holder in a compact, non-toxic design made from high-quality BPA-free plastic. Its 3-in-1 design includes a detachable holder for easy refills and cleaning. The anti-slip base keeps it stable, and a simple press dispenses the right amount of soap, saving space and simplifying kitchen cleanup. Number 7. Berlino Ice Ball Maker. Elevate your drinks with clear, round ice spheres that look great in any glass. Made from BPA-free silicone, the molds release ice easily and resist odors. The 2.4-inch spheres cool drinks without watering them down and melt slower than regular cubes. It also includes an ice storage bag and stamp ring, adding a touch of elegance to any home bar. Number 6. Under-cabinet lighting. This budget-friendly light features motion sensors that activate within 10 feet and turn off after 20 seconds of stillness. With 32 LED beads, it delivers soft, glare-free lighting up to 180 lumens. The rechargeable 1,500 mAh battery lasts up to 20 days in sensor mode or 6 hours continuously. Built-in magnets and adhesive plates make installation easy. Number 5. Jewelry Organizer Stand. Keep your jewelry organized with this 4-tier stand designed for necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and rings. It includes a velvet-lined ring holder and a wooden tray for extra storage. The white iron frame with wooden accents gives it a stylish display look while offering plenty of hooks and compartments. Number 4. LED USB Clock Fan. This USB-powered fan features soft PVC blades and a flexible gooseneck for easy positioning. It plugs into any USB port and doubles as an LED clock displayed directly on the spinning blades. It's a fun and functional addition to any desk or workspace. Number 3. Ment Projector. This compact projector turns any room into a personal theater with a 150-inch screen and 180-degree adjustable projection. It offers native 720p resolution, Android 11, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, built-in speakers, and multiple ports. Lightweight and quiet, it's a solid option for affordable entertainment. Number 2. Simple Taste Milk Frother. Create cafe-quality drinks at home with this versatile milk frother. It offers 4 functions including warm dense foam, warm airy foam, cold foam, and milk warming. The non-stick interior makes cleaning easy, while automatic shutoff ensures safety for both hot and cold drinks. Number 1. Montvu Bath Mat. This budget-friendly bath mat combines comfort and practicality with a slim, supportive sponge layer and non-slip rubber backing. Its smooth surface absorbs water instantly and dries quickly. Stain-resistant and easy to clean, it fits seamlessly under doors and resists peeling or fading, making it perfect for everyday use.